Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Casey Neistat coming at you live from, you guessed it, Lahore, Pakistan. Now I've been lucky enough to see some amazing places, but let me tell you, Lahore from the sky, that's a whole different ball game. First up, we're soaring over the Badshai Mosque, and guys, this thing is huge. The scale of it is unbelievable, truly a testament to the power of faith and history. Next, we cruise over to the Shalimar Gardens. Imagine a perfect oasis right in the middle of the city. Lush green gardens, sparkling fountains. It's like stepping back in time. And of course, no trip to Lahore is complete without checking out Minar-e-Pakistan. This towering monument marks Pakistan's independence, and the energy around it is electric. Now let's talk about the people of Lahore, because they bring this city to life. We're flying over the Anarkali Bazaar, and the sights, the sounds, the smells, it's a sensory overload in the best way possible. From spices to silks, you can find anything here. The energy is contagious. Everyone's hustling, everyone's smiling. It's amazing. And then there's the food, guys. We're talking melt-in-your-mouth kebabs, fluffy naan bread, and biryani that will rock your world. Trust me, your taste buds will thank you. Lahore is a city that knows how to celebrate, and that energy is infectious. But it's not all hustle and bustle. Lahore also knows how to chill. We're flying over the Lahore Fort, and you can see how it's nestled in these lush green gardens. It's this amazing blend of history and nature that you see all over Lahore. Ancient walls covered in vines, modern buildings with rooftop gardens. It's pretty cool. And then there's the parks, man. We're talking sprawling green spaces where families come to relax, kids come to play, and everyone comes to escape the city for a little bit. It's this balance, this harmony, that makes Lahore so special. So that's Lahore from above, guys. A city that's both ancient and modern, chaotic and peaceful, vibrant and serene. It's a city that's seen it all, from empires rising and falling to the birth of a nation. And through it all, Lahore has endured, its spirit unbroken, its beauty undimmed. And that's what makes this city so inspiring. It's a reminder that even in the face of change, even in the face of adversity, beauty persists, hope endures, and life, well, life goes on. Peace out, Lahore. You've stolen a piece of my heart, a piece of my